Every year, the interest in process mining solutions is growing because they significantly improve business processes in countless industries like manufacturing, healthcare, banking, and many more. Maybe you're still unsure if you can actually benefit from process mining and whether it's the right time for this investment. If that's the case, let's look at why it is worth exploring. Hi, I'm Deborah from PAF, where we help improve your company's future with process mining. And today, I will give you 5 reasons to start your process mining journey now. Starting with reason number 1, viewing the process as a whole. No matter the size of your company, processes rarely affect a single department. Therefore, they should be analyzed as a whole and across departments. And instead of picking apart and trying to analyze fractions of a process, use process mining to get the entire picture. Reason number 2, compare theory and reality. Most people think they know what their processes look like. And in theory, there's process structures that should be followed. However, the reality is much more complex. So before you can start to optimize the processes, it is important to understand whether the expectations and reality align, or more accurately, how and why they differ. Process mining delivers an objective, fact-based view on real processes, so that you know how reality matches up to your expectations. Reason 3, set your priorities. Discover where it makes sense to optimize. Through full transparency over the current state of processes, it is much easier to prioritize open tasks for optimization. This applies to ongoing projects, as well as sudden urgent events. Is there a supply shortage one of your vendors is struggling with? React immediately to keep your supply chain going. Normal business is running smoothly? Great. Focus on your urgent, long-term optimization projects. Overall, efficiency of your company can be improved with process mining. Reason number 4, make the most of existing investments. You're already collecting data every day in your operational business. You only need to start using them. When you add process mining to your existing infrastructure, you can take your system to the next level. That's what we believe and why we implemented PAFnow in Microsoft Power BI. If you already use Microsoft 365, you can benefit from the accelerated power of combined process intelligence, business intelligence, and operations features from Power BI, PAFnow Process Mining, and the Power Platform. You get insights and are able to take action directly without having to get used to a new environment or setting up an additional infrastructure. Last but not least, reason number 5, optimize, then automate. Automation is the buzzword of the moment. Maybe you already wondered what, where, and how you can use automation measures in your business. This is the first of 2 areas process mining can help in. With process mining, not only can you identify possible automation areas as part of an automation strategy, but you can optimize processes to ensure you don't take potential inefficiencies to when it runs automatically. The second area process mining will help is to further monitor the implemented automation measures to keep improving by making adjustments where necessary. This way, you can get the most out of automation investments. I hope these 5 reasons have gotten you as excited about process mining as we all are at PAF. So start your process mining journey right away with our free process mining visual in Power BI. Just download the free visual on AppSource and get started. Enjoy!